Let's talk about the latest launched ZTE smartphone Blade A75 4G with exquisite elegance design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.6 inches HD plus punch hole. Live island display, resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, and with 90 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with AI camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.6 GHz dual-core Cortex A75 plus 1.6 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by Unisoc T606 12nm chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of RAM, with 4 GB, 10 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable via dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.1 by 75.8 by 8.6 mm, and it weighs around 189 grams, and the color options: basalt black, marble white, aqua green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 22.5 watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The ZTE Blade A75 4G has been priced for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at €107, while the 4GB plus 256GB storage variant at 39,900 Sri Lankan rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this ZTE Blade A75 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.